Shares of Sarepta Therapeutics up by about 36% in the pre-market. The company says that it will resume shipping Elevidys, that's a muscular disorder gene therapy, to patients who can walk. Last week, the FDA recommended a pause in shipments because of serious safety concerns after 3 deaths of patients who were on Sarepta gene therapies. This past weekend, there were reports of a death of another child on Elevidys, but the death, the FDA now says, was unrelated to the gene therapy. In a statement, Sarepta's CEO says, "We look forward to working collaboratively with the FDA to complete the safety label update for Elevidys and to discussing the approach to risk mitigation for non-ambulatory patients who remain on pause pending the outcome of those discussions." Despite this morning's jump in Sarepta shares, that stock is still down by about 84% this year. But again, guys, this was a really big and very public display of what was happening. There were concerns about deaths. There's a new guy at the FDA, Vinay Prasad, who's the director of the Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research. He had originally said he wanted them to stop shipping it altogether. The deaths had taken place in people who were non-ambulatory. This is a progressive disease. First, it makes you disabled so you can't walk, and then it eventually kills you. They have not had problems with this gene therapy on people who were still ambulatory. The FDA wanted them to stop shipments to the still ambulatory patients who were on it. There was a huge pushback from the patients' families because this is the only therapy that's out there, the only drug they can get access to. The FDA later relented and said, okay, you could continue to make those shipments. But we've watched the stock play out with some huge drops.
That's yesterday's.
This was yesterday's Wall Street Journal. It was their lead op-ed story on this, talking about what they called the Sarepta mugging in drug innovation, basically saying that Vinay Prasad has shut down a lot of the drug innovation that the first Trump administration was very well known for the pushes on innovation that they were coming in with. And so there was pushback that came not only from the Wall Street Journal op-ed pages, but it was on the right and the left. You've seen a lot just over the last weekend that kind of went after this because of what they've seen with it.